What is up, guys? Geminijets 737 here, coming at a new video. I got two videos today. I don't know if this is gonna be the first or second, but today we got an unboxing in this video. Next one's gonna be an airport update because we haven't done one in a long time. And yeah, so I'm just gonna be unboxing these aircraft. I'm really excited to unbox these. These look really sweet, and yeah, two of them I got from Amazon, and this one I got from Alaska Airlines for only $25, which is a steal. So get them all you can on Alaska Airlines company store. If you want the link, I'll throw it down in the comments. Just let me know. And let's get right into this video. Right off the bat, you got the specs and everything on this. And aircraft, I don't know why they put such a small aircraft in these large boxes, but let's open it up. As we take it out of the box, the plane looks very nice, and if you put it in good spots of the light, you can see that the plane reflects on the gold side, so it's really cool. I'm a very good Huskies fan, been a fan since like 6th grade, and yeah, you can even see like the logo. Probably can't focus it very well, but yeah, you can see the logo is actually on the winglets too, and yeah, so I'm pretty sure these are Skimtar winglets, but on the thing, but they don't really have them on the Geminijets because that is way too small to get of a detail. So, but yeah, this is a really good aircraft. On to the next one. And the next aircraft we have is the Southwest 737 MAX 8 Canyon Blue. I really do like this aircraft because it is kind of a retro livery. It's not even that retro because, I mean, they kind of just like switched up their livery like 6 years ago, or probably more than that, but yeah, but it's still a retro livery to me. And the wheels, as you can see, are red too, and overall it's a very good paint scheme. I personally really like it. I think they should do more aircraft like this in their actual fleet like this. I mean, it's very iconic, and I was about to get the gold aircraft, but this one was just so iconic, and it's a great deal. So the winglets, as usual, got the Southwest on them too, and it's larger 737 MAX engines. But yeah, overall nice aircraft, and on to the next one. And I guess you could say I saved the best for last because this is a really cool model, and it was like $10 more just to get a Gemini Max. They're usually a little cheaper actually, but this one is just way more money because it's a B-52, and I mean, just look at that. The wingspan is so long, I had to move it because my airport is like so uneven. I should probably get a board for my actual airport, but I just used cardboard and paper. But yeah, look how big the wingspan is. I mean, we can just get a Boeing 737 and compare it. I mean, it's just one wingspan is just the entire wingspan of a 737. That's actually insane. But yeah, as we look at it, it's really cool. It's very detailed. I mean, you got the extra wheels too. Just trying to see. The wheels do roll, I'm pretty sure, but I'm not gonna do it on video because I don't want to wreck this plane. This is really cool. And something that I realized, that's plastic. So yeah. And on some of the 737s, I don't think this one, but some of these are plastic or some flexible material, and I think this is too. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think of this haul. I think this is probably the best aircraft out of all of them. I mean, Canyon Blue is pretty nice. That's pretty cool, but this is just phenomenal. So leave a like and subscribe, and let me know what you guys want next. Peace.